Imagine being able to create high quality videos, ads, YouTube content, UGC campaigns, even full brand assets without hiring editors, without expensive software, and without wasting time. That's exactly what FlexClip AI makes possible. FlexClip isn't just another editing platform, it's like having a full creative team powered by AI. Whether you're a YouTuber, business owner, educator, or content creator, FlexClip gives you everything you need to produce professional, scroll-stopping content in minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use FlexClip to build an entire brand from scratch using nothing but AI. We'll create a brand piece from scratch using FlexClip's text to image, then animate it, resize it for platforms, refine the motion, and add a voice with DreamFace. Let's get started.
First, open FlexClip and sign in. Select text to image. This is where we create brand visuals from a prompt. Then click right here. Choose your model right here. Now for the prompt, go to ChatGPT, tell it what you want to create, and it will give you a detailed prompt. Once you are satisfied, copy the prompt and go back to FlexClip. Pass the prompt right here, choose your style. I will choose cinematic, then click the number of images you want to generate. Click here to generate and voila. You can choose another style and regenerate your image. Once you are satisfied, click on download right here. Now let's extend our image to the size that we want. Click on the image extender right here and click right here. Then you choose the picture that you want to extend. We are going to use 16:9 because this is for YouTube video. Let's choose the number of images we want to generate. Once you're done, click on generate, and there you have it. Now you can also try another image. Once you're okay with it, click on download right here. Now let's turn our static image to a video. Choose the image to video mode, then choose the mood that you want. There are so many to choose from. Upload your image right here, then write what you want or how you want your image to behave. So I typed she's talking while moving her head and hands slightly. Once you're done, choose how long you want your video to be. It can be 10 seconds, it can be 5 seconds, then you click on generate. Now look at that, this is so perfect. Finally, head over to DreamFace. This is where we are going to synchronize our voice and the video we just generated. Once you are in, click on the avatar talk or sing right here, then click here to add your avatar. Once you're done, click on choose voice. Now I'm going to type what I want my avatar to say. Once you're done typing, choose the voice that you want. If you're okay with the voice, click on animate, and that is it.
Now you see how good FlexClip AI is. You can create images, expand them, turn them into videos, and even add voice with just a few clicks. I can be your YouTuber, your podcast host, your ad creator, and even your UGC model. With FlexClip AI, you can literally create anything. This is only the tip of the iceberg. In this series, I'll show you how to make UGC ads in FlexClip, how to turn podcasts into shareable clips, how to convert articles into videos, and how to scale this as a service. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't miss part 2. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Would you use an AI avatar to build your brand? I'll pin the top comment with a quick checklist and the link to FlexClip.